Hey foodies, welcome to Blogging Good Food, where we are about to embark on our delectable journey into the world of cake mix desserts. Get ready for tasty recipes you can't resist. Let's kick off our sweet adventure with cake mix magic. Discover how a simple cake mix can transform into a variety of delicious desserts. First up, we have quick and easy dessert bars made with cake mix. They are perfect for when you are short on time but craving something sweet. Next, dive into the world of cake pops. These bite-sized treats are not only adorable but also incredibly tasty. Get ready for some creative cake mix creations that will amaze your taste buds and your guests. Let's start with a stunning flower cake surprise. It's a beautiful dessert that's almost too pretty to eat. Pineapple upside down cake gets a modern twist with the help of a cake mix. It's a sweet, fruity delight. Beat the heat with some chilled cake treats that are perfect for summer. Indulge in the creamy goodness of ice cream cake. It's a refreshing dessert that will keep you cool all summer long. For those who love to decorate, we have got some decorative cake masterpieces that are as beautiful as they are delicious. Find inspiration for your cake decorating endeavors with these stunning designs. Take your cake artistry to next level with these creative ideas and techniques. And there you have it, a delightful journey through delicious cake mix, desserts, tasty recipes you can't resist. For detailed recipes and more sweet inspiration, visit Blogging Good Food at blogginggoodfood.com.